Hey guys, welcome to the Mint Trader. The purpose of this video is to learn where we can find the economic reports belonging to which major currencies in the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, as well as how to filter through them based on their impacts. So the first thing we want to do after opening the trading platform is to make sure that the terminal window is open and is displayed, and we do that by pressing the Ctrl+T shortcut, and from there we're going to go to the calendar tab. So let me now go to the trading platform so I can demonstrate to you how this is done. Here we are in the trading platform, and as we can see, the terminal window, the one that shows up at the bottom, also referred to as a toolbox, is not displayed. So one way we can display that is by either pressing the Ctrl+T shortcut on our keyboard, and we can have the window that we normally see where our orders are displayed, or if we don't want to use the Ctrl+T, we can just go to View and Toolbox here, and that will also achieve the same thing. So by going here, we have all these tabs at the bottom. We want to go to the calendar tab. Let's try and expand this a little bit. And you see that we have the different economic reports that are scheduled to be released on different days by different countries. So the way to filter through those, because some of them are perhaps not that important to us, so one thing we can do is we can right click in the middle, and we have the three sections here that we probably want to go through in order to filter through them and only display the economic reports that are of interest to us. Now it's up to you whether you want to display low and medium impact reports. It's simply up to you. Usually focusing on the high impact economic reports and perhaps considering to stay away from them is sufficient. The low and medium ones tend to have smaller volatility impact, if any, on the overall market, typically behaving in a non-dangerous manner to our positions and to our orders. So you can leave it as such. And by going to currency, we can also choose which currency pairs we would like to display, if you will, here. And now certain currency pairs, we know we're not going to trade them, so we just go ahead and say I don't need to be displaying these ones. So this way you will reduce the numbers of, or the amount of information displayed on the calendar. So we can go ahead and do that and only keep the major currency pairs checked. So now that we unchecked and kept only the major currency pairs, we know that the reports are filtered and are only displaying to us the economic reports released by these major currency pairs that we are planning on trading. You can certainly go ahead and do the same thing here on this side. However, the one or the other usually suffices, because if you're making sure that you're not seeing, let's say, reports that are based on the Hong Kong dollar or the Swedish krona currency pair, you're not gonna have these reports released by their corresponding countries as well, or displayed by their corresponding countries. And from here you can go ahead and see through them depending on the day when we are trading, and you can go ahead and identify them, like say, what time is this economic report going to be released? Make sure that you get the correct time zone. Make sure you're using the correct time zone, and this way you can protect yourself against sudden moves and major volatility as a consequence of the release of any of these high impact economic reports. So on your side, go ahead and open the trading platform. Make sure that you enable the toolbox, go to calendar tab and sort and filter the economic reports, and only leave or display the ones that are of value to you and are of interest to you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are enjoying these educational videos and want to see more, please click the subscription button. Until next time, bye bye.